Hi everyone! Welcome back to our series on lesser-known tips for general healthcare. Some of them are really surprising. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
While it's true that olive oil is packed with health benefits, cooking everything in it can in fact have negative consequences for your health. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help lower cholesterol and improve heart health. However, when it's heated to high temperatures, it can release harmful compounds that can raise your risk of cancer and other diseases. Going out with friends can also help enhance your mental health. When you're around friends, you're more likely to laugh and have fun. And laughter has been demonstrated to boost immunity, relieve stress, and even improve heart health. So next time you're feeling down, make plans to go out with your friends. It simply might be the boost that your health needs. There are various benefits to massaging your neck. Touch is a powerful way to contribute to good health and wellness. Massaging the neck can help to relieve tension and pain, improve circulation, and promote relaxation. It can also help to enhance range of motion and flexibility in the neck. When done correctly, massaging the neck can be a very favorable activity for your overall health. Oranges are one of the most popular fruits in the world. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients that can be useful for your health. Studies have shown that oranges can help enhance heart health, lower cholesterol levels, and cut down the risk of stroke. They're also a good source of fiber and vitamin C, which can help boost the immune system.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.